Everyone, DX here, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you how I made my remixes. You know, how to add music to them. So I can't do it from here anymore. As you know, remember I have made my remixes before. I used the music here, but look. Okay, so and I don't know if you guys really noticed this, but I wish I could. You know, try to tap and stuff so I could show you, but one thing, the music button isn't on here anymore. So I thought I could show you this. So, and then all you could do is cut and add flitters. That's it. You can't add music on here anymore. They finally took that off. It's supposed to be like right in that bottom right corner. Can you see in the bottom right corner? You don't see the music tab, do you? And look on the bottom of the screen. Do you guys see the music icon? No, you guys do not, because they took it off. They finally took it off of here, and they were not joking. Alright, so now I'll show you my new way of adding music to the video. So then now, as you can see, I'm on Safari now. So then, this is how I make my remixes. So how I add music to my newer ones is I just type a video that I do, and if I'm gonna add music to it, I had to put on private, so I can add the music to it, but it may take a little bit for the music to process. But then now to go to editor. And I'm on desktop mode on Safari, so it makes it easier for me to do it. And then I go to here, then go to audio, and then I just go to here. And then I'll just maybe type in not to cray, or maybe omission. I don't know what to do. Maybe lines, maybe, I don't know. Oh, let's do slide. Type that in and then return, and I gotta find it. There it is. Okay, turn that down a little bit. So this is how I make the remix. So for the custom edit remixes, I do this. Just find music that goes good with it. But you cannot repeat the music here. I kind of like the YouTube app one because you can repeat the music, but in this one you cannot. And look over here. You can actually blend in the music. And then see now look at this. Now you guys hear the sound in there? See, and then that's how low I can get the music. And that's how low I can get. The blue line is already there. And it doesn't really work that well. That's why I'll show you how I do it. And this is how I do it. Then I can press save changes, and then the video will process the music, and all the music all in together. I'm trying to pause it. Okay. So yeah. So like I said, this is how I make my remixes now. I do it from here. So you can just use this line and then just get it the way it needs to be. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? But I'm not gonna use this as a remix, so just if I show you how I do it. So this is how I do it. It's pretty good, alright. But it's also pretty bad. Alright, well that's all I had to show you. And thank you guys for watching. And then also, so I can show this to you guys, how I add music to my remixes. It's kind of a little hard to do. kind of a little trickier, but this is how I had to do it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like if you like this video, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below if you guys really enjoy this video. I really appreciate you guys for understanding me, what's going on here, because I can't add music the way I used to. So now I have to do music the way that you guys just saw. And then thank you guys for watching. Game on.